What's going on? Welcome to the headquarters series, I guess you could call it. Still haven't figured out a name yet, but I think we're getting closer. Saw some pretty good ones recently, and I'll probably pick out from those names. It's painted! The entire place is painted and finished and ready to go. So let's take a quick tour of that first before we unpack the truck. I'd like to thank the person who hit and ran my truck the other day, and I'd also like to thank my non-sponsor, Gorilla Tape, to keep this thing together. Because otherwise, I wouldn't be able to see behind me to get here today. Good thing is, these mirrors aren't that expensive. I was really scared it was gonna be like an OEM replacement that's like $1,000 or something. Because for some reason, like taillights that are OEM, which are just like red cases with bulbs, are very expensive. So that's kind of like the mindset I was having. Today, we're gonna be basically showing you what it kind of takes to run your own office space in a way, and all the kind of mundane stuff you got to do at first, but also the fun stuff. I got a custom giant decal made for the wall that I'm gonna be installing today, and I got my own LED sign made that I'm gonna unbox for you guys as well. So first things first, gotta unload the truck of all of my office supplies and my office art, and then go from there. So here is the unit. We went with a really, really nice gray with some nice foot plates down here that really added some nice contrast. Also, we painted the stairs black, which I really like. I wasn't quite sure how that was gonna turn out, but I think it's the best decision we did. Also, here's David Blake. He helps me out with a lot of photography stuff, so if you ever need photography needs, he's the guy. He helps me do Patterson car care photography, which always comes out really good. He never even saw the unit beforehand, and I think it's safe to say it looks pretty natural, which is good. You didn't go, what happened to this place? Yeah. So it flows very well with the black, and don't worry, there's gonna be stuff on these walls. It's not just gonna be like a black wall. So office space, all of the door trim, all of the doors, all the walls have been repaired, all the corners have been repaired, and it is absolutely astounding because this place literally feels like it's a brand new office. And it really did need some love, like 100%. But you walk in and it feels like a nice, fresh, clean space to work in. And then we have our garage space, which is like a really fun, creative work environment that will be really fun later down the road when I fulfill my fantasies of having my own miniature fantasy factory. So, or copyrighted Fantasy Factory. I'm not stealing your name. I'm just giving a reference of what I'm trying to do here. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Jeff from Obsessed Garage, who recommended this paint code to me. It was the right choice because you can put any color, anything on them, and it's neutral and it looks fantastic. It's easy to take care of. It's easy to clean, everything. Just everything about it. It looks amazing. Like all this, look at the difference between the video we did before. It literally looks like it could be a studio in the future. This is just a chair that was left over from the last person. So that's gonna go. Look, like everything. Like look at this place. It's literally perfect. Side note, a really good first impression if you work at an automotive car shop, which this is not going to be an automotive car shop, this is gonna be more of a studio, is to have a clean bathroom. If you have a clean bathroom, it makes you look like you're organized and you know what you're doing. All right, back to the studio space we go. So only thing is when you paint the stairs this black, if I step on it, it'll leave kind of a little footprint, but that's okay. That's just because it's washable paint. See, it comes right off. But I'm thinking about doing kind of these rubber panels across so I can avoid that and clean it easier. The other day, I shot my very first kind of car review in here, and let me tell you, having controlled lighting with LED panels is a game changer. You can get so much more detail out of little edges on a car, kind of the body lines. You can really do that, take your time, because you're also not getting kicked out by the popo. Because half the time I go to a park or half the time I go to a public space, they're like, where's your film permit? And I go, what's that? And play dumb. You've been kicked out taking photos, right?
Every time.
Every time. because, you know, you're just such a danger to the world.
Literally.
Also, shout out to Chris Tress from SSR Collision, who's going to help me put up this obnoxiously big 150 by 150 inch decal. That's my new logo. So hopefully it goes well. I got a laser level today, so I'm hoping it helps. So there's the sticker, there's a poster made, and then there's my desk that I'm gonna try and build today. All right, let's get to unpacking some office supplies, because that sounds amazing. A beautiful storage container for every mean commenter on YouTube. Coming down here. Fragile. Must be Italian. All right, check this out. So this is the back. Wood. Oh, it's really nice too. That feels real nice. Remote control here. By the way, this was done by MrLEDsign.com. I actually found him on Etsy, out of all places. Definitely check him out. He was super nice, super kind, and was very patient with everything. And honestly, he brainstormed a whole bunch of designs. He sent me like 10 different signs. And I was like, that one. And then lo and behold, 3 days later, it was on the way to me. Here's the remote. I can choose any color I want. I originally was gonna do an actual neon sign, but then I realized how much power that drew. It's a lot lower maintenance to do LEDs, so that's why I did it. What's this? Oh, that's the power. That's the cables. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's see this thing.
Wait, that must be the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lift it. Oh, dude.
Whoa.
That is sick. Look at this, guys. Look at that. That's amazing. If you look close, it says living fast and then driving faster on the bottom. And the reason I asked him to do that was because my first slogan on YouTube was live fast, drive faster. And since it's my 10-year anniversary, I thought it was appropriate. And also my brand new TDub logo is in the piston along with miles per gallon. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. All right, big reveal.
Dude.
Check it out. Super cool. Dude, it even has the perfect That Dude in Blue color. I can choose any color I want. Photo with homies. This one is so good. All right, Chris from SSR is in the building. It's your first time here.
It is my first time.
What do you think of it?
It's awesome. I don't know what I expected,
Yeah.
you know, but you get in here and it's with the new paint, and, you know, all the logos and the lighting's great.
It's gonna look awesome when it's done.
It's gonna.
You have to have a vision. It's gonna put a banner in here too, so
There's
it'll be
a lot
great.
of room to expand.
Oh yeah, totally. Upstairs is my last priority, but down here we'll do a lot of fun
It's
stuff.
gonna be pretty cool.
All right, step one. We are gonna use this forklift thanks to my landlord, Scott. He's amazing. And this ladder, and we are gonna try and put my big freaking decal on the wall. I don't know how this is gonna go, so let's see. Let's see it.
A little bit of it.
See a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. That is a
Oh yeah, that's a big logo.
I told you I didn't mess around.
Oh my god. That's just a bee, huh?
Yeah.
My God.
Are you not excited?
Oh, it's just a huge. I'm gonna go from painting cars to wrapping cars now.
Yeah, right. Oh my God, look at that. That's so sick.
Yeah, that's dope.
Oh, pull it out.
I paint cars, not vinyl. Don't judge me.
Dude, that is so cool.
Let's see if we can let it level out.
Yeah.
You got 3 stars.
Just what I wanted. Did I do really good on the test?
Affordable coziness in every home. Where is this? I mean, it looks like it's quality vinyl though.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Awesome logo.
Shout out to Jacob from Elite Designs for designing this logo that's gonna be on all my future merch and everything like that. And also, you probably saw it on the sign earlier we displayed today. We're gonna spin it around to get a better view on top of the forklift. We got the homie David doing the shells, killing the game. And then we got Chris over here. What you doing, Chris?
We're mounting up there, or sticking the new logo to the wall. 86 inches plus 46 and a half is where our top of the letter is gonna be.
Wait, since you're a body guy, Chris, does that mean you're gonna start wrapping cars too?
I'm getting out of the paint guys game. paint guys game.
Wait, but your Midnight Purple 3 was a wrap?
Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that.
By the way, David, before they ask, what's done to your IS?
It's 2J swap. No, I'm just kidding. It's completely stock.
With some coilovers and wheels, right?
Yeah, literally.
LS swapped.
Is it though?
I wish.
I'm trying to find just the average center. So 150 inches wide, so 75 inches. We need to... I need a way to mark this.
David, I'm nervous about telling them if it's level or not.
Okay, before I feel it,
I don't want to say
what do you
anything.
think?
All right, you guys, the headquarters is coming along. It looks like a completely different place than it did only a couple weeks ago. I'm so happy with how everything's turning out, and the decal just really adds what I really wanted to this place to really make it feel like my own. And also, it'll just look really cool to have a person's car in front of the logo, in front of the stairs. It just is a really cool environment to film cars, and I'm so excited about it. Next thing you know, we'll be adding more and more to it, but for now, man, we have accomplished a lot, and I couldn't be more proud. Huge thanks to Chris, Emily, and David, who all helped me yesterday. It was such a struggle with this sticker, but I'm very, very happy that we got it done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and I'll see you guys next time, but take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. This video is brought to you by Patterson Car Care. Get double of premium original detail product for half the price. Head over to PattersonCarCare.com or go to the link in the description below.